Hello friends, hope you all are doing fine. Today in a video I'm going to share and show you something slightly different from the usual topic. And topic of today is that how to implement custom login attempt, limit and reset the WordPress, right? So I'll tell you what exactly this means. This is the website I use it often with my videos. So this is the video and this is the dashboard. I'll show you, and these are the plugins I'm using. All these plugins I'm using, and I'm using Astra theme for this. I'll show it to you. Astra, right? One of the best themes I have used. So these are the things, and I'll tell you what exactly I'm going to share with you. That this is the dashboard and admin. I'm the admin of this dashboard. I'm logged in with the admin, and if I log in, right, if I log out and I have just saved the password. If I log in it, so it simply log in, right? So I can work on this. So what I am going to tell you, sometime it happens that you might have seen that there are so many spamming and website hacking issues are there, and to avoid all these things people use login attempt plugin. So many plugins are there, and I do also use that, but I thought why not use our own coding instead of the plugin, because it increases the size of the total website, and sometimes it happens that it clashes with other plugins also. So of course all plugins have certain kind of restrictions, so I also use this one, login limit login attempts reload. So this is what this plugin actually does. Exactly, I'm going to tell you that you can do your own through a coding. I have just written everything. I have checked it and tested it properly, and then I'll show you how you can do all these things. So code starts, I have just commented it here, and code ends here, right? So what I need to do, I'll tell you. First I'll just copy this code. I have copied it, and for this you need a plugin where you can write PHP, because this code is in PHP, right? So you need PHP plugin for that, though you also can do here with theme editor as well in function.php, but I would not prefer, because that might be slightly risky. If anything goes wrong, so the whole site may crash. So instead of using function.php, I would suggest you use a plugin. I'll show you the name of the plugin. I'm using code Snippets, right? And it's a very beautiful plugin. It supports your JS, CSS, HTML, PHP and everything, right? So once you install this, I'll just mention this in description as well. Once you install this, it will show you on the left hand side here in the dashboard, right? And you can see all snippets are there. So these are the pre-built in. So what I need to do, I need to add new, and make sure there are options like HTML style for styling, scripting for JavaScript, right? So we need to select this one, and we can just simply paste it here, right? You can just name it anything like login attempt for 3 times. I have just named 3 times. I'll just save it, right? And I will activate it. It needs to be activated. Snippet updated and activated, right? One important thing I tell you, first let's check it if it works or not. So this is the dashboard, right? This is the dashboard. I'm logged in right now. I have just logged out, and this is the saved password. I'll remove it, and I type 1 2 3 4, right? This is incorrect password. And if I log in, see, 1 attempt remaining, please try later, right? And I have just tried 3 times because one time I have already tested, that's why it's showing 1 time. So if I type the correct password, which is there already saved, so I log in into it, see, it's working, right? So it's working perfectly fine. After 3 attempts, it will block the user. So it's from spam, hacking and all that. It's very safe, right? And I have just tested with 3-4 themes as well. You can try with your own theme, right? With demo theme, and it's working perfectly fine. I'll tell you one important thing, that you can customize it. Few things, like I have tried 3 attempts. Instead of 3, you can do it 4, 5, 6 or as many you want, and you can change the login attempt time as well, from 15 minutes to 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour or something like that. So you can customize it also. So it's working perfectly fine. And if you have any question, if you encounter any kind of problem, you can just comment it here and I'll reply for that. Though there are many other aspects also, but I would request you, if you experience any kind of problem, you can comment it here and I'll try to reply those comments as well, right? And if you like the video, please subscribe and like as well. Thank you so much once again. I'll come with the new videos. Thank you. Have a great day.